Hi, my name is Ruth Nilsson, and I am so excited that 250 books have arrived of my children's book, I Am Remarkable, A Journey of Self-Discovery. Since I was 18 years old, I wanted to write and illustrate children's books. This book is all about yoga and mindfulness, stretching, growing, and helping children realize their fullest potential in life. I spent over 300 hours painting the illustrations for this book. Let's open it up. It's just amazing. I can't wait to show you. There it is. I did it. I'm so excited. I have different reviews written in the front of the book, and it jumps right in. Do you ever stop and wonder, who am I? Where do I belong in this great big world? And it just goes on. There's all the illustrations. They're amazing. The kids in yoga poses, tree pose, shooting star pose, the explanation of how to get into yoga poses. And I've also designed a clothing line. You can see here the shirt I'm wearing to match the characters in the book. Oh, I hope that this book blesses you if you order it. Thank you.